welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my current hair care routine, some of my favorite products that I have been loving to use lately. They're all shown in this video, including the shampoo, conditioner, everything. If you guys want a more in-depth description, everything will be down below in the description box and links to all products if you guys are interested. So yeah, that's just basically what I've been using to keep my hair nice and healthy for a while now. Follow me down below on my social media. I'll have my Instagram linked if you guys want to check it out. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get on with the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you guys like it. So yeah, let's go ahead and get on with the video. So starting off for hair washing, I like to use the OLAPLEX No. 4 shampoo. I love OLAPLEX as a brand. You guys know I've reviewed them several times here on my channel. I love this shampoo. This was gifted by a company a while back and I've been using it and I'm absolutely in love with it. I feel like it lathers really well. It really does give a good clean and I love that it doesn't have like a strong scent. It doesn't honestly smell like anything, but I love that because it's just very like a pure feeling. Like I don't feel like I'm putting like bad stuff into my hair, if that makes any sense. So I really do love this shampoo. So this is the number one thing that I do use in my current hair care routine as of right now. The shampoo, I do love using their number 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner. It's a really gentle conditioner and I do only use this on the ends of my hair. Like I said, I do love OLAPLEX as a brand. I love their hair care items that they do have, and I do plan on making a full just dedicated video to like their shampoo and conditioner and just like providing more knowledge within their products within my experience, because I do believe like a lot of people do want to use OLAPLEX but they just don't know how to or like what products to use. So I definitely want to make a video on that soon, so give this video a thumbs up if you guys want me to do that. So next up, this is one of my favorite deep conditioning products from the brand Briogeo. I discovered this brand a few years ago before I even started my YouTube channel, so over 2 years ago. I have also used their shampoo and conditioner, and this is one of my favorite products from them, their deep conditioning mask. They sell this at Sephora and it's a little bit pricier, but it's definitely worth it, you guys. This is one of the best deep conditioners I have found, and I've tried a lot of them out there, both drugstore and high-end, and this is honestly one of my favorite ones. So I do love this one. It's really moisturizing and I feel like the moisture sticks to your hair for like a longer time than just like the first day wash. Next up, this is one of my newer favorite products. This is a Ouai thick hair mask. Now you guys will see a jump cut here to me being glammed. I actually filmed a video on this. This is actually, I believe this is a recent video that I've uploaded, a full dedicated review to this newer product from the Ouai hair care. I love the Ouai, and this is one of their newer products. It's a deep, it's a thick hair mask, and I love that because it's targeted towards thick hair, which I have, and I am including these clips from when I tried it out, but this has been one of my favorite products to use. First of all, the smell is amazing. Second of all, the moisture in this is something else. Like the moisture in this product is so amazing, and honestly I just can't wait to see what else the Ouai releases. Like I'm so excited to try everything out. I love it. I love all these brands. These are currently the things that I use mostly in my winter hair care routine 2021 edition. So yeah. For my hair care routine, that's kind of like the products that I've been loving to use lately. I love the OLAPLEX shampoo conditioner. They were gifted a while back from a company and I just love OLAPLEX on its own. Like I love it so much, seriously, like my favorite thing ever. I love their hair oil. I love OLAPLEX and I wish they were sponsoring this, but yeah, you guys, and the new Ouai hair mask, it was super nice and thick and just so luxurious feeling. And the Briogeo mask and just everything that I showed you guys today has been stuff that I've been using on my hair, and it's pretty much what's been keeping it up and healthy. I do have to dye it again soon though, because the brown is starting to come through. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys liked it, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe so you can be notified every single time that I upload, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.